Today we're going to talk about order of operations. When you have a problem, say 12 plus 4 with 6 times 2 take away 1, there's a specific order that you need to solve this problem in order for it to be correct. Looking at this, P, E, M, D, A, S, PEMDAS, stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. An easy way to remember this is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So looking at this problem above, are there any parentheses? Yes, there is. So we're going to solve for the parentheses first. Let's rewrite this problem. So 6 times 2 is 18, and we're going to make sure that we rewrite everything down below to keep it all lined up. So then we look at, do we have any exponents? No exponents, but we do have another multiplication problem. So we are going to do 4 times 18, which is 72, and we're going to rewrite the rest. Now we have no division, and we have addition and subtraction. Now which one do we do first? You should always work from left to right. So 12 plus 72 is 84. 84 take away 1, that gives us 83. So we're going to look at another problem. We are going to 42 divided by 6 take away 3. We'll write please excuse my dear Aunt Sally at the bottom. Do we have any parentheses? No, we do not. Do we have any exponents? We do not. Multiplication? Nope. But we have a division problem. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. We're going to take away 3. So 7 take away 3 is 4. So we're going to erase this one. We're going to try one that's a little bit longer. So 17 times 3 plus 15 divided by 3. So we are going to check at the bottom. We'll erase this right here. So remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. So in our parentheses, we actually have a division problem. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. And remember to rewrite everything here. So 17 times 3, because we have a multiplication, is 51 plus 5 equals 56. Okay, I'm going to erase that and we're going to try another one. So let's try 32 plus 9 multiplied by 6 take away 84. Now we look at this problem and we notice inside our parentheses is 6 take away 84. Sometimes you will see this because there will be an answer that has a negative number. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to work it out. So 6 take away 84 is going to be negative 78. I'm going to keep this in parentheses because we are going to multiply it by 9. So 9 times negative 78 is negative 702. And we are going to add 32 to that. So the answer is going to be a negative 670. Now we are going to take a look at this problem written a little bit different with the parentheses in a different spot and see how our answer changes. So 32 plus 9 times 6, take away 84. So first we're going to do the parentheses. So 9 times 6 is 54. Take away 84 plus 32. So we did our parentheses with our multiplication inside, and now we have addition and subtraction left, and of course we're going to work from left to right. So 32 plus 54 is 86. Take away 84 is going to give us 2. So you can see how when the parentheses are in a different spot, the answer is going to be a little bit different. We're going to look at one more problem and see how using PEMDAS really does work. So in this first problem over here, we're just going to solve from left to right and see what happens. So we have 12 take away 4 is 8. Then we rewrite everything else. That will really help us keep on track to make sure that we get everything in the right order and we don't miss any numbers. So 8 times 2 is 16. And we go ahead and rewrite the other numbers, bring them down. 16 plus 6 is 22, divided by 3, and that's going to give us 7.3. We're going to move over to the other side, and we are going to follow our rule. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? We do not. Multiplication? We do, and division. So we're going to work from left to right. So 4 times 2 is 8, and we're going to bring everything else down. So multiplication is done, and we do have division. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And we'll just rewrite everything else. Do we have any more? No. So we're going to go to addition and subtraction. Remember, left to right. So 12 take away 8 is 4, plus 2. And our answer will be 6. So yes, following this rule, 6 is our answer. So when doing a problem that has several operations, we want to make sure we do order of operations, and that is PEMDAS. To help you remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, left to right, addition and subtraction, left to right. If you always follow that and you always bring your numbers down, it will be much easier keeping it nice and neat. And now that you're done watching this lesson, you're going to go ahead and you're going to play the game. You're going to open the link and follow the tab, open the link in a new tab, and play that game for a little while. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to complete your check-in. Make sure to pass it in and keep the score of your game.